I first met Mr. Sanso not through here. First time ko siyang ma-meet actually nung nanalo ako ng isang Sanso painting. Ang swerte ko, no?
Nag-art book store work. So, may isang section doon na rare and out-of-print books. Tapos may isang libro na dilaw yung cover ng libro na artwork siya. Tapos nakalagay Sanso. So, nagtaka ako.
Since na nung ma-meet ko si Senior Sanso, very humble siya. Mabait.
Nagkwentuhan kami about his art and about his life. Pati yung trauma niya during the war and how art actually healed him.
Laging sinasabi ni Senior Sanso sa akin ay laging mapagkumbaba.
Mararamdaman mo na sobrang bait niya.
Magpe-paint siya hanggang maubos niya yung paint sa brush niya. Tapos yung pinagpunasan niya ng tubig na ganun, idadamay niya pa rin yun. Ayaw na ayaw niyang may nasasayang.
He's really just there to create, share what he has.
Ang pagkakilala ko siya, maano siya talaga, ibang-iba.
He inspired me to become an artist myself. And a lot of the habits that I want to develop are his habits.
Na-amaze ako na meron palang artist na nag-exist na gano'n dito sa Philippines.
Much has been said about Mr. Sanso already. A lot of people know that he has been honored by the Philippines with the Presidential Medal of Merit. That's almost equivalent to the National Artist Award, but it's given to foreigners like him. He's also been honored with Cross of Isabela by the King of Spain himself, and also as a Knight of Arts and Letters by the Republic of France. So, a lot of people know of his achievements already. But Mr. Sanso is a very humble man.
Generous siya. Matulungin din.
Hindi niya nakalimutan na tumulong sa mga artist, lalo na sa aming mga estudyante.
Tinayo niya yung museum para tulungan niya yung gustong mag-aral.
And pag pumasok ka ng museum, nag-extend yung kabaitan niya na yun.
Aside from running this museum, we also carry on his legacy.
Si Sanso himself, he believes na dapat ang art ay accessible para sa lahat.
We are not just a museum, we are an extension of Mr. Sanso.
Isa rin ako sa mga mapapalad na napili na maging scholar ni Juvenal Sanso.
Kahit sobrang liit ng museum, ang dami-daming nangyayari sa loob. Iba't ibang klaseng programs na hindi ko normally nakikita masyado sa labas ng art scene.
He was able to achieve a lot of things, not just because of talent, but because of persistence.
Sobrang makatao niya.
Si Senior Sanso para sa akin, the best siya, magaling. At saka wala siyang katulad.
Mr. Sanso for me is a mentor.
Sanso for me is a healing journey.
Sanso is para sa akin, isa siyang inspirasyon.